Guys, how is everybody today? We got a bit of a package today. Some new hose for the fuel tank. We've even got a new water block filter to put on it, so we have no problems with condensation in the tank. But yeah, I'll chime back in when I go to put this on. We're out here. I'm gonna get this old hose here tore off and get this new one put on. This old hose is all weather cracked and stiff, and it's starting to leak in spots, and it's stiffer than a board because it's two hoses put together. One is like a 8-foot hose and the other one's a 10-foot hose, and I had to extend it just so I can reach out there. And while the 8-foot hose, this bad guy right here, it's pretty stiff and dried out, so it's time for a change. But yeah, now to go find my thread tape and I'll put this back on. Oh, we got her all together. Got a nice filter on there now. I was having problems before with the tank condensating and getting water in my fuel, so that should help out a bit. Yeah, I heard a lot of good things about these goldenrod filters, so hopefully they're right. But yeah, at least I got that done. The farm where I was working there last week, I wanted to go and do the fence. There's like the whole entire farm, all the paddocks need to have the fence redone on them, and it's just been so wet that I tried doing some there yesterday. I ended up getting the backhoe stuck because it's just too much slop. So I wanted to take some videos while I was up there, but I was just so busy with everything, and everything being so chaotic, that I wasn't able to get any footage. So I should have some more footage to put up in the next couple weeks. So anyways, hope you enjoy this little short video. Talk to you guys later.